Good day, wonderful people. Welcome back to our channel, Convisi Farms, and new subscribers are welcome. If you want to succeed in yam sack farming, you need to know what works and what doesn't. In this video, I will share with you the essential do's and don'ts of yam sack farming so you can grow healthy yams and avoid common mistakes. Stay tuned to the end for a bonus tip. I decided to share this vital topic before we go into the part 3 of how to grow and harvest yams in sacks. So part 3 will be in our next video. I desire that you are successful in your yam sack farming. Now let's start with the do's of yam sack farming. Number 1. Ensure to use the right sacks that has 50 to 100 kg capacity with a height of 60 to 100 cm and a width of 30 to 40 cm. This gives your yam tubers enough room to develop properly. Ensure to use durable and breathable materials that allow for good drain system. Number 2. Ensure to select and buy healthy yam sets that are disease-free, and also go for the ones that has at least one sprout, because poor seed leads to poor harvest. Before planting your mini set or your yam head, treat the exposed part with wood ash to prevent pests and diseases from attacking the exposed part. Number 3. Ensure to use a rich organic loamy soil mix. Combine loamy soil, compost and organic manure to ensure good yield and fertility. And also remember to check the soil pH level. Yams thrive best in slightly acidic to neutral conditions. Poor soil leads to weak plants. Number 4. Ensure to provide your yam vines with strong staking supports. Use bamboo poles or sticks to support their growth and improve airflow. Ensure to maintain proper watering. Water your yams regularly in dry season, but make sure you have good drain system, because overwatering can lead to rottenness and underwatering can lead to stunted growth. Check the soil regularly and water when the top feels dry. Number 6. Ensure to apply organic fertilizers periodically. You can feed your yams with kitchen scraps like plantain peel, banana peels, vegetables, etc. You can feed your yams with compost or organic manure every few weeks for better tuber formation. Avoid chemical fertilizers to keep your yam plants organic. Number 7. Stay vigilant about pests. Ensure that you regularly inspect your yams for pests like yam beetles and aphids. And implement organic pest control methods when you see pests on your plants, so as to keep your yams healthy without harmful chemicals. Now that you know the do's of yam sack farming, let us talk about the don'ts of yam sack farming. Number 1. Don't use worn out, torn or small sacks. If you use these types of sacks, it will affect your yam roots development and also cause soil loss. Number 2. Don't use heavy clay soil. Clay soil holds too much water that can lead to root rots and poor aeration. Number 3. Don't plant too many yam sets in one sack. It leads to competition for nutrients and you will get small yam tubers. Number 4. Don't use plastic containers and bags to plant your yam sets, because they trap heat and they don't drain well. Number 5. Never ignore pest and disease control. Caterpillar love yam leaves. You can use neem oil or organic pesticides to keep them away. Number 6. Don't harvest too early and don't harvest too late to avoid small yam tubers or rotten yam tubers. Number 7. Don't overfeed your yams with organic fertilizers. Too much organic fertilizer can harm your yam. Start with light feeding and adapt based on growth observation. Number 8. Don't ignore weeds. Weeds compete for nutrients and water. Remove any weeds to give your yams the best chance to thrive. Number 9. Don't forget to expose your yam plants to sunlight. Place your yam sacks in areas that get at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight per day. Yams thrive well in full sunlight. Now, here is the bonus tip for you. Rotate your crops if you will reuse the same sack. Plant leafy greens or legumes in them before planting yams again. This improves soil fertility and reduces pests. Now that you know the do's and the don'ts, don't forget to apply them to your yam sack farming. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And also hit the notification bell for more organic farming tips. See you in our next video. Bye bye and take charge, everyone.